friend. Welcome to my YouTube channels. And today I am going to discuss regarding COVID-19 and your eye care. So through my presentation, I want to give information regarding how during this pandemic, how will you care your eyes and what are the procedures, when to visit the ophthalmologist, when to show your eye to the eye doctors, okay, and what are the safety that you can maintain in home. So without any further delay, let's move to the another slide. So what are the new procedures for routine and urgent eye care during COVID-19? Okay, so when you should go to the eye doctors for your eye checkup. So as we know that limiting close physical contact is key to helping reduce the spread of the coronavirus. And some of the symptoms such as fever, cough, shortness, breath can surge up to 14 days after a person is exposed. People with severe infections can develop pneumonia and die from the long illness. So, while most eye clinics are scheduling in-person appointment and many also continue to offer virtually with the help of the phone, video call, and computer. Okay, so by doing the virtual telemedicines, some of the doctors are used to prescribe the medicines by sitting in the home. For in-person appointment, staffs will take severe precautions to protect your health. So now come to the end slide, in which I am going to explain regarding that what are the expect changes to eye exam and what are the procedure during the coronavirus pandemic. So here you should wear a mask to your appointment when you got the appointment with the doctors, and also if necessary wear the gloves too. If you do not have a mask, one will be provided by the hospitals or by any clinician. Unless instructed otherwise, please keep your marks on the entire time you are in clinic building, even if you are alone in the examination room. In response to CDC guideline, right? Many clinics have increased outside airflow and added HEPA air filters, causing the building temperatures and airflow to be less compatible that you are used to. Please be patient with their temporary change as they are meant to decrease the risk of the spreading COVID-19. I mean to say coronavirus. The clinic may ask you to wait outside, or maybe some of the staffs of the hospitals or clinic may tell you to sit in your own transport like car inside instead of in normal waiting hall. This is to protect you, the other patients and other official staff from the possible virus exposed in crowded waiting area. The clinic is likely restricted the number of people that enters. If you do not need someone to be there with you for the actual appointment that you have taken with the eye doctors for your examinations, please do not bring anyone into the building with you. If possible, your temperature may be checked on entire to the building. Your eye doctors may use a spherical special plastic breath shield on the CT machine they may use to look into the eye. They will also wear a mask, and the may also wear gloves, goggles, and plastic shields over the head. Your doctor may ask you to wait to speak until after your examination is completed. Then they may talk with you and answer questions when they can be a safe distance from you. So these are the things that the doctor used to take and you should remember during your examination in the hospital. Okay. And most important, if your eye doctor may ask you to follow certain precaution during COVID-19. So, and what are the ophthalmologists are always available for eye emergency. Remember that eye doctors are always able to treat urgent emergency eye issue, deliver eye infections, and providing critical care. So call your ophthalmologist or the medical doctor as soon as possible in the following situations. So what are the situation and what are the eye emergency when you have to call the doctors and take the appointment? Okay, so I'm discussing few of the most important point regarding when you should consult your ophthalmologist and or eye doctors. So this is time to stay in home and take and do not make crowd and stay healthy. So if you have macular degeneration or diabetic retinopathy and get regular eye injections, in this case you must need a consultation with your eye doctors. And your notice change in your vision, like if you feel there is blurring of vision or waxy or blank spots, if your field of vision is decreased, then in these things you should consult your doctors. If you have an eye injury, even if it seems minor, then also you should consult the eye doctors. You notice few floaters or flashes in your vision. If you are young, right, if your age is 10 to 40 years, in this case you can consult the doctor and take the appointment for your checkup. And if you feel there is sudden loss of vision, then also in this case you should consult your doctors. If you have red eye or eye pain, especially if associated with headache, nausea or vomiting, so in this case also you should consult your ophthalmologist. So informative things from this video, and you have come to know that when to solve the ophthalmologist for your eye. And in upcoming video I will be discussing about how can the coronavirus affect your eye, and second one, how to protect your eye and health during COVID-19. So these are the two questions that I will be uploading in next video. Hope you like this video and have your comments, like, and will you subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative video. So friend, use COVID-19 guideline to stay healthy. Okay, so these are the most important things right now to avoid us, and we have to protect our health. So health is everything for us. Hope you will follow all the guidelines, and some of the teams that for the eye that I will be having for you. Your hand alerts, flowing good contact lens hygiene, and avoid touching and rubbing your eyes, mouth and eye. And if you have any question about your eye or your visions, be sure to ask your ophthalmologist. And also you can contact me through my mail ID, and also you can have your comments in my YouTube channel so that I can help you for your eye health. Thank you.